Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to explain why you can't get Snapchat Plus or why it's not appearing for you to be able to sign up. So the way you would normally get it is you would open up your Snapchat app and then tap on your Bitmoji icon at the top left hand corner, and then you will notice somewhere around here there should be a Snapchat Plus banner that you can tap on to sign up for Snapchat Plus. Now, if that's not showing up for you, it's probably because you're not in one of the countries that it did launch in. So this is a new feature or a new update, and it only launched in 9 specific countries as of right now. So if I go out of Snapchat real quick, let me get rid of that and go and open up a browser. You can see Snapchat Plus launched in 9 countries: the US, Canada, United Kingdom, France, Germany, Australia, New Zealand, Saudi Arabia, and the United Arab Emirates. So if you're outside of those countries, unfortunately right now you cannot get Snapchat Plus. And for me, I am out of one of those countries, so that's why it's not showing up for me. But if you are in one of those countries and it's not showing up for you here, typically you'll see all the badges or the banners that you can tap on that Snapchat gives you. If you have a banner that's covering up the Snapchat Plus banner, you just want to exit out of all the banners until you find the Snapchat Plus banner, and you want to go ahead and make sure you update your Snapchat app as well to the latest version if you're in one of those 9 countries. So here's the list again. You can go ahead and screenshot that to check if you're in those countries, but all you would need to do is wait. Like for me, I just need to wait until they release it for my country, and then I'll be able to get Snapchat Plus. So just keep your app up to date, and you can also check back regularly on the channel to see if there is any updates. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.